So, what's a Templar Grand Master doing so far from his Castillo?
I'd rather not say.
And I'd rather not cut your lips off and feed him to you.
Welcome to Assassin's Creed 4, Black Flag. See the golden age of pirates come to life in the largest and most immersive Assassin's Creed ever made. This is the wild West Indies, the trade crossroads of the New World and the birthplace of piracy. This is where sailors rebelled against the oppressive colonial empires to seize their fortunes and forge their names in legend forever. These outlaws formed their own pirate republic in Nassau. You play Edward Kenway, a privateer who fled England to seek riches and glory.
When we take this treasure, we'll be set for life, all of us.
Yeah! Now, you are the feared and respected captain.
All hands aft, lads! We're taking this one home!
Assassin. And pirate.
Oh, I may be persuaded for a price.
Your posse is a motley crew of pirate legends.
You'll all be dead men!
Take Charles Vane, a sadistic and unstable troublemaker.
Dear lady, what do they call you?
Anne when they're sober, but never lady.
Then there's Anne Bonny, who can hold her own in a world dominated by men.
And let fall the courses, lads! We're sailing for Jamaica!
Oh, you're a hard heart that should be softer.
Or soft in parts that should be hard.
And the colourful Calico Jack, whose swords are just as sharp as his tongue.
You'd like to know my secrets, would you?
And the most infamous and feared pirate of all, Blackbeard.
I would profit better by using your organs for chum and your bones for char!
But their enemies can be just as ruthless.
All of you will be confined in Nassau.
Meet Woods Rogers, the man charged with bringing down pirates in the name of the king.
I offered those pirates a choice. Take a pardon or be hanged by the neck until dead.
This one's yours. Fly proud.
The Jackdaw is your pirate ship, your transport, fortress, and treasure hunter. Meet Adewale, your invaluable first mate. He's a skilled sailor and warrior.
Could we talk a moment about the condition of the ship?
Upgrade every aspect of your ship, from stronger hulls to better sails and bigger guns. You'll need better gear to survive the fiercest naval opponents.
This is a darling galley. 32 guns, is it?
I lost count at 40.
Take aim with cannons. Upgrade your arsenal with heavy shot. Pick off enemies with swivel guns. And rain mortar bombs for devastating effect. In battle, you'll encounter all manner of enemy craft, from swift frigates to the massive man-o'-war.
All those in favor of storming this cove and taking this ship, stomp and shout aye!
Once you've weakened the enemy ship, ram it. Then seamlessly board by swinging or sneaking. As you defeat ships, add them to your fleet and expand your empire.
Lock them in the hold! Take everything that isn't nailed down!
Learn to navigate treacherous weather conditions, or the sea will surely steal back your treasure. Pick a place on the horizon and make it yours. Explore the densely textured and fully interactive environments of the exotic isles. Push through dynamic foliage into uncharted territories like lush jungles. And stalk prey around rustic plantations. The outlying regions are populated with over 50 main locations. Discover colonial forts and hidden caverns. Climb viewpoints to unlock new areas and allow fast travel around the map. Explore major cities like Havana and Kingston, the key strongholds of the Spanish and British empires in the Caribbean.
Quiet! Quiet!
The sprawling architecture of these cities are perfect for vertical gameplay. Free running, And of course, assassinations.
Come breast the bars, bullies, heave her away. Way, hey, roll and go. Soon we'll be
Welcome to Nassau.
This is home for pirates, where salty dogs and scalawags can live as they please. Here's where pirates handle business and pleasure. Wager gold in high-stakes gambling. And be merry and enjoy a drink with fine company. Beneath the breakers hides a whole other breathtaking world. Diving bells are 18th century scuba devices that will help you navigate underwater and seek treasures at new depths. Exotic fish and other sea life populate this lush and vibrant underworld. But beware, deadly predators may be lurking around any corner.
Ready the whaleboat, lads. And last, the harpoons.
For a real rush, pursue and hunt the ocean's dangerous predators.
Where is it?
Then cash in your catches.
Look at the size of him!
To upgrade your hunting boat and harpoons. On dry land, hunt the many ferocious beasts of the Caribbean. Craft better gear and armor from their skins, and make weapons from their bones. Stealth and assassinations are crucial to every aspect of the game. Find assassination contracts hidden throughout the towns. Stalk your prey from the shadows. Your deadliest weapon is the element of surprise. The new blowpipe is great for silent, long-range kills. Stay out of sight and one step ahead. With your signature hidden blade, sign your name in blood. Attack with dual cutlass swords. Or wield rapiers, pistol swords, and scimitars. Pack up to 4 guns for rapid firing. And use the new free aim systems to pick apart your foes. Muskets and blunderbusses pack a real punch.
Little more than a blowpipe. But it'll do.
Then upgrade all your weapons to take on more powerful enemies. And that's just a glimpse of the endless horizons in Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag.
Enjoy your wine and women, lad. For tomorrow, we dance with death!
Pre-order now for exclusive in-game missions.